Welcome to Drone Motion channel. Dear guests, today I would like to provide you with information about Tak Village, one of the beautiful villages of ALİAÐA and IZMIR. Tak Village is located in the olive tree-covered hills of the Aegean region and attracts attention with its natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere. Tak Village is a village that blends. Additionally, Tak Village is known for its organic farming and the fields where local products are grown. The fresh vegetables, olives, and fruits grown here are essential ingredients of the village's delicious cuisine. Finally, the natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere of Tak Village provide visitors with the opportunity to relax and escape from stress. If you're looking to spend a holiday close to nature, you may consider visiting Tak Village. Dear guests, I have tried to provide you with a brief overview of Tak Village in ALİAÐA. I hope that this information has given you an idea about the village. Now, it's your turn to visit Tak Village and experience its beauty and tranquility.